Hello everyone, myself Shiv Krishna. This is part 1 of Generative AI in UiPath. In this video, I am going to give brief explanation about Generative AI. In the later part of videos, I am going to explain how we can leverage Generative AI concept in UiPath. So let's get started. This is the structure of Generative AI. In the entire artificial intelligence, we can have different subsets are available. The machine learning is the one of them and main subset for the artificial intelligence. Inside the machine learning, again we can have a different subsets are available and deep learning is the one of them. The generative AI is available inside the deep learning. Let's discuss about these terms one by one. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science focusing on creating systems which can think and learn in the similar way of humans. These systems can do the tasks like reasoning, learning, problem solving, and language understanding and interaction. Few of the examples of the artificial intelligence applications are self-driving cars, digital assistants like Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Google Assistants. Few of the chatbots helps to find the flight tickets, hotel tickets, and the travel related information, and a few of the AI algorithms in the stock market to help the investment decisions. In the artificial intelligence, we can have a different subsets are available. Subsets are available in artificial intelligence. Basically, inside the artificial intelligence, we can have a multiple subsets are available, and the mentioned ones are the few of them. Machine learning. Basically, it involves the development of algorithms enabling computers to learn from the data and then it will predict or do the decisions based on the training data. Natural language processing. It involves the interaction between the computers and human languages. Few of the NLP doing tasks are speech recognition, language translation, and sentiment analysis. Computer vision. Computer vision enables systems to make a decisions based on the visual data. Robotics. The area of AI involves in the designing, construction, and operation of the robots. Natural language generation (NLG). It is mainly focusing on converting the structured data into the human readable text. Speech recognition. The speech recognition is the technology that enables machines to identify and process the human speech into the machine understandable language. Machine learning. Basically, in the machine learning, we are training the data, and based on the trained data, the model can be do the predictions and do the decisions. In the machine learning, we can have a different models are available. There are supervised learning. Basically, in the supervised learning, we are training the labeled data, which includes both input and output. So basically, it is kind of a dictionary. The main goal of the supervised learning is to do the more accurate predictions on the unseen data or new content. Unsupervised learning. In this model, we are training the unlabeled data. The goal of the unsupervised learning is to identify the patterns, structures, and relationship within the data. Semi-supervised learning. So in this model, we can have a small amount of labeled data and the major amount of the unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning. In this model, an agent learns to make a decision by doing some actions. The agents receive feedback and penalties, and accordingly, it will change the actions. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and it involves algorithms that are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain's neural network. Again, in the deep learning, we can have a different techniques are available. Conventional neural networks, CNNs, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformers. Generative AI. Basically, generative AI is focusing on creating the new content like text, image, audio, video, rather than analyzing and predicting the data. Again, in the generative AI, we can have different techniques are available. Large language models, LLMs, generative adversarial networks, GANs, variational autoencoders, VAEs, autoregressive models. What generative AI can do? Basically, generative AI can do the text generation like conversations and creating the articles, stories, image and video generation, music and audio generation, healthcare, drugs discovery like identifying the new drug components, and data augmentation like generating the additional data to improve the performance of the machine learning models. Some of the generative AI applications are OpenAI's ChatGPT 4, Google's Bird, and Facebook's Llama. In the next video, I am going to explain how we can use the ChatGPT functionalities in UiPath. Hope this video is informative. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.